time is now for us to break free from the chains that bind us, that allure us to addiction, and we must say no to drugs. It must be defeated. We are working very hard as a government, and we are working very hard as parents. We are working very hard as a church to make sure every one of our children stays sober. Addiction have stolen the dreams and aspiration of many who can have been the backbone of our nation's progress. Brilliant footballers, visionary entrepreneurs, responsible fathers, dedicated farmers, and promising leaders. All of them have fallen under the cross of these drugs and drug addiction. We must all join the government and other stakeholders' efforts towards the journey of transforming our society. The boy child has been left voiceless. The results of this neglect are too far-reaching for the blind to see, even for the deaf to hear. If we look around and we see, we can tell there is something, there is an error, and there is a mistake that happened within the communities, and that's why we have men who we need to rehabilitate. And this error must be corrected. I decided never to keep quiet, never to tire until the boy child has a voice, until the boy child has a dignified future, until we see the dignified future just like the girl child. Today, we launched the football tournament targeting those who are in alcohol and are recovering, and also those who are abusing substance and are in addiction in Nairobi. We intend to have this tournament to grow into a championship that will cover the entire Republic of Kenya and transform thousands of lives in our 47 counties. Just as you love watching Arsenal and Manchester United and Chelsea games, I envision a championship that will be a must to watch for Kenyans.